Repeat, Shalmera. On Sunday, January 8th, the 5 missionaries were killed along the Curaray River by the Auca Indians in the jungles of Ecuador.
As fast as the fateful news was flashed from the eastern side of the Andes Mountains, it was sent out over the powerful antennas of HCJB, the voice of the Andes, in Quito.
This is a special news bulletin from HCJB, Quito, Ecuador, South America.
Today we received confirmation of the death of 5 missionaries, Ed McCully, Roger Udarian, Pete Fleming, Jim Elliott, and Nate Saint, on what is known as Palm Beach along the Curaray River. Apparently they were killed by primitive Auca Indians in the jungles of Ecuador.
This climaxed what has become known as Operation Auca, an attempt to bridge the gap between the 20th century.
Dame oídos para oírte, dame pies y andaré, manos para el afligido, dame fe y te seguiré. Dame amor por el perdido, que yo sea del mundo luz. Dame ansias de tu gloria, dame ansias de la cruz. Yo iré siguiendo tu voluntad, dejaré el confort atrás. Yo iré y donde esté será mi hogar. Yo iré. Yo iré. Dejaré mis ambiciones, cortaré cualquier raíz que impida despojarme de lo que no sea de ti, de lo que no sea de ti. Por la fe te seguiré, tu poder yo vestiré, yo iré siguiendo tu voluntad, dejaré el confort atrás, yo iré. Y donde este será mi hogar, yo iré, yo iré, yo iré, Dios, donde nadie oyó de ti, y por ti yo viviré, yo iré, porque mi vida tuya es. Yo iré, yo iré.